In this video, I'm going to introduce you to how to create an account on the platform so that we can follow the steps that we are going to learn during the course. We go to Google to the ArcGIS Online page. We arrive at the main page, and from here we click on Sign In. On the Sign In page, you'll find username and password fields at the top along with a Keep Me Signed In checkbox for convenience. If you forget your login details, there are links for recovery. Below the Sign In fields, click the blue Sign In button after entering your credentials. For those in an organization, there's a field for your ArcGIS URL. You can also sign in using your Facebook, Google, or Apple accounts. Let's click on the Create an Account link located at the bottom of this page. We are on the page where we can create different types of accounts. Our focus in this part of the course is on the free public account, so let's scroll down and click on Create an ArcGIS public account. We choose this option and it will open a screen to register our information. This will be a personal, non-commercial account as indicated by the text, which will allow us to create a store and manage layers, scenarios, and others. We will complete the information, write our name and last name, email, accept the terms and conditions, and then click on Next. They tell us that they will send an email to activate the account, and once it arrives, we click on the link, which will take us to this page where we must write a username. Remember that the username must meet certain requirements, such as being between 6 and 128 characters long, not including special characters except those mentioned, and not having spaces. Let's create a password for our account. Then we see that as an extra option, we must select a secret question and answer it. We are all set. We just need to click on Create Account. And we are now on the main page of ArcGIS Online. We have many options here, but we will explore them later to avoid overwhelming your learning. In the top right corner, there are several icons, the classic bell for notifications, the dots for adding apps, and our profile icon. Let's click on the profile icon and then click on My Profile. Here we have the option to update our profile photo, modify our name on the platform, and add a bio. Let's compose a brief one. We select the visibility of the profile. In my case, I will set it as public. Let's click on View My Settings to see the configurations we can adjust. We can update the email associated with the account, and if it's verified, a verified checkmark will appear next to the email. Below, we have the option for the primary map viewer. We can select which map viewer opens by default. When we open a map, or later in this course, we will use the map viewer, Classic. So let's select it, we can set the language, and there are many options available. For now, let's just set it to Browser Default. We can choose between two units options, US Standard or Metric. Let's set it to Metric. Here we can manage linked accounts and email preferences. In the Security tab, we could change the password or we could change the security question. That's it. This is how we can configure our basic settings in our ArcGIS Online public account.